basketball.
Jerry Rice.
So put good luck on the last box.
Thanks, blowout. At least I got.
It's kind of tough to open one
I got
hand.
1/8 of my money back.
Alright, we're looking for Jordan Letterman out of here.
Jordan, Kevin Durant, JJ Redick.
Yeah, Kevin Durant. He's playing better this year, so it wouldn't be that bad.
Mo Peterson.
He's a ball hog.
Kevin Durant autograph.
Chris Paul.
$40.
Deal with Chris Paul.
JJ Redick.
Mo Peterson.
Looking for JJ Redick.
Oh, Birdman for Denver now. What is it, Anderson? What is his name? Birdman, something Anderson?
Birdman.
Yeah, Chris Anderson.
Chris Anderson.
You saw him do that on ESPN last week? He did that dunk and he walked out like this.
Did you really?
Yeah. You sit down. Sit down.
good.
man. Open.
Where's all the good cards? We'll put the good cards all over there somewhere.
Oh,
Like
put it right here.
So you want to put that one?
Yeah, some right here too.
Yeah, let me move over here because I don't want to move this side and send one of the kids bump over. At least I know where it is right here.
Anybody but Reggie Wayne.
Dude, I got some kind of Hall of Famer right here.
Autograph?
15.
Is it Letterman?
What's the upper deck thing?
It's not autograph. Oh, it is
Oh, it is
autograph.
autograph.
Paul Pierce. Hey,
Oh, it's not autograph.
It's
Oh,
autograph
Paul
at the
Pierce
top.
autograph.
Ooh, Paul Pierce.
This is
nice.
guess it's for Fred, 26 to 75.
I kind of don't like Paul
No, I
Pierce.
can't beat that.
Yeah, we splitting this. The SP, the Exquisite, and one box Premier. Me, you, and Chris. And then me and you splitting the Exquisite football.
Allen Iverson.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean, it's Paul Pierce himself how much?
in a killer
Better off
rookie.
keeping it. We just talking about it this morning, remember? Paul Pierce on himself like $20.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh, to do autograph.
This quarter's not even
Daniel
numbered.
Gibson and Danielle Marshall.
That's not numbered either.
Man,
I don't know about Daniel Marshall, but
I
Daniel
think that's
Gibson
it for the box already.
Oh, that's Tim's favorite,
Oh,
man.
another one?
Yeah, he pulled a duo autograph for Danielle Marshall and Daniel Gibson.
Danielle Marshall's good, isn't it? Is that?
Daniel Gibson is
In his first year.
Jordan Formal is not
Depends
autographed.
what you mean by good.
Yeah, you mean in college?
Oh, that's cool.
Hey,
I think that's it for the box. So,
Is it?
rip it up.
just stop
It's
it.
2 hits.
Here, you guys can have this.
Mine.
What is that?
Tyson Cheney.
Tyson
He
Chan.
has a Reggie Bush autograph though.
Let's take a look at his autograph. Reggie Bush autograph.
Oh, I want Peyton.
What is it? Reggie Bush came in the shop or something? It kind of looks like it.
Did somebody find a patient? Somebody
Yeah.
luckily pull a patient autograph. Like, I'm feeling we are.
Autograph?
I feel like Jim's gonna pull a patient autograph.
I don't know page
You don't
autograph.
get it. He pulled a Reggie Bush autograph earlier.
Yeah, it's like a 2 hits to the box. already.
Autograph, man.
I think that's it, huh?
That's probably it. Paul Pierce and Danielle Marshall. Daniel Gibson. You might get lucky and then you get a third. Get an extra hit every now and then.
Mike
I got
Bibby.
one. I thought.
Still got packs up here, Fred. Rip them up, man.
I see one more card. Wait up.
Get this box over with, man.
Oh, Chris.
Oh, Chris.
Chris Paul, baby.
Oh, I have one already.
You want it? Yeah, hook you up, man. Hook you up. You wanna Ron Artest to go with that?
Okay.
Okay.
Hey.
What is it? What is it?
Hey, Merry Christmas. Don't say I didn't give you nothing for Christmas.
Here you go.
Did you know this thing has a redemption sticker on it?
I know, man.
Yeah, make sure you check it before you throw anything
Yeah,
away.
do it.
There's a redemption sticker.
You see it in the back. It'll look like.
What about these code numbers? You don't care. It mean nothing, huh?
Oh yeah, throw it away. You don't mind me saying crap.
Page is a hard pull, man. Can't pull
Pull
the
the
page.
Kevin Garnett is a regular card.
Can't pull the page out of here, huh?
Well, the backs look like this. Bro.
Got one more
You
right
do it
here.
like this. The stickers like this.
Go ahead, do you, dude?
Alright.
You did pull that killer quarter.
Best pull so far. Hopefully that's not the best core today.
You
Jerry
want
Rice.
Man, that was Sanford would be better.
Yeah, I've been San Fran. I was hoping it would have been a dual. If it been a dual ticket, it would have been good.
No.
They got the Joe Montana and Jerry Rice dual one.
It would have been a San Fran Super Bowl. That would have been nice.
I'm gonna leave it on one of your boxes.
Anything left in there? Nothing.
I got a Tony Homo.
One more pack, huh?
Oh, won't this sell right now?
Nope.
Tony
That's it
Homo?
for SP Authentic basketball.